First question, what is the shape of human's DNA? Answer is double helix. Next question, what is the shape of RNA? Answer is spiral. Next question, what are the bones around the chest known as for protection of heart and lungs? Answer is ribs. Next question, what is the flow of blood from heart to all part of body known as? Answer is circulation. Next question, which part of human body is serving purpose of maintaining balance? Answer is yours. Next question, the outside layer of skin on the human body is called the? Answer is epidermis. Next question, what is the cause of maximum deaths in the United States than lightning? Answer is tornadoes. Next question, what is given to wood whose normal cells have been replaced with the mineral deposits? Answer is petrified wood. Next question, what is the type of pollination caused by birds? Answer is ornithophilia. Next question, what are rodents? Answer is the animal who eat by stealing food. Next question, how many insecure teeth do rats have? Answer is 4. Next question, what is the percentage of fire related deaths due to smoke inhalation than the burns? Answer is 80%. Next question, fraction of volume of ice is seen outside when immersed in water. Answer is 10.5%. Next question, which president is acknowledged as the world's authority on American game animals? Answer is Theodore Roosevelt. What is DMMM? Answer is digital multimeter. Next question, until now how many people have landed on moon? Answer is 12. Next question, what are the bones known which makes up the spine? Answer is vertebrae. Next question, in which country the greatest tornadoes occur? Answer is United States of America. Next question, name the drug known as wonder drug. Answer is penicillin. Next question, whom used the wonder drug at its initial times? Answer is US Navy and Army. Next question, when was penicillin made public? Answer is in 1944. Next question, which is the saltest sea in the world? Answer is Dead Sea. Next question, which color indicate highest temperature? Answer is dull red. Next question, why Dead Sea is known as Dead Sea? Answer is because of its saline nature and don't drown people. Next question, what type of battle is the scarab worshipped by Egyptians? Answer is dung battle. Next question, What is effect on your weight as you go down into the earth? Answer is decrease slightly. Next question, what is fog? Answer is when dust particles get entangled in air particle in atmosphere. Next question, what is smog? Answer is smoke is the mixture of dust and smoke particles entangled in air. Next question, which scientists are studying the motion? Answer is physics. Next question, which is the force restraining motion of different objects? Answer is friction. Which ball would travel long distance if launched from catapult, either cotton or iron ball? Answer is iron ball. Next question, why do cotton ball do not travel long distance in thrown? Answer is because of lightweight. Next question, which force is pulling earth towards its center? Answer is gravity. Next question, who gave the law of motion? Answer is Newton. Next question, will adding weight to your car affect its motion? Answer is it will move slower than normal speed. Next question, what is the light year? Answer is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Next question, which law says that an object in motion will stay in motion unless another force changes that? Answer is law 1. Next question, which law of motion say that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? Answer is law 3. Next question, what is acceleration? Answer is rate of change of velocity. Next question, what is force? Answer is the push or pull. Next question, define weight. Answer is the force of gravity on an object. Next question, what is LPG? Answer is liquefied petroleum gas. Next question, what does LPG contain? Answer is butane and propane. Next question, what force is used for the launching rockets? Answer is air pressure. Next question, which of the best explains why your body leans to the side when taking a sharp turn in a car? Answer is inertia. Next question, which component of soil is made of the living material previously? Answer is organic matter. Next question, what is the name of scientist who studies plants living or dead? Answer is botanist. Next question, who studies the living animals? Answer is zoologist. Next question, what is the part of flower having the charge of perform photosynthesis? Answer is leaves. Next question, how plants make their food? Answer is through photosynthesis.